In my previous video, I revealed 3 surprising job servicing niche that you should start right now, and one of them is TikTok marketing services. Some of you requested me to give some examples of TikTok niches that you can offer for your job servicing business. So today I'll be giving you 3 examples of TikTok niches that is beginner friendly and easy for you to job service. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. TikTok is incredible and it is a business tool for many businesses. So what does this tell you as a job servicer? This means opportunities for us, because since businesses are using TikTok as a platform, we can see many of them are requesting TikTok services. So this is a demand there, and that's why I mentioned in my previous video here that you should start TikTok marketing services right now. So besides TikTok marketing services, there are also other niches that you should start, especially if you are just a beginner. TikTok services are still very new, but I see a very high demand for these services. So today I will be revealing 3 TikTok niches that you can start as a beginner. The very first one on the list is the TikTok marketing plan. This is the most basic and straightforward TikTok service that you can drop service. Many businesses and individuals are looking to grow their presence on TikTok. However, many of them struggle to grow their TikTok account. Because of this struggle, I see a high demand of people looking for a good marketing plan for their TikTok account. This is exactly the same as Instagram. Many businesses and individuals are trying to grow their presence on Instagram. That's why the demand on Instagram marketing plan is very sellable as well. Basically, what your client will be getting is just a report, an action plan. Let us go through what the freelancer will be providing you if you have clients requesting for this TikTok marketing plan. So I found this gig on Fiverr promoting TikTok personalized plan, and what they include is a page evaluation as well as an action plan. So this is a $50 package, and what you will get is a full TikTok algorithm breakdown, what to look for in your niche, like your trends, hashtags, sounds, and etc. How to get more TikTok followers. So this freelancer will be giving you the tips to how to grow your TikTok account as well as how to get more followers, and he will also give you tricks and hacks that aren't widely known. So all those unknown tips out there, so he will be providing you all the tips. Lastly, he will also give you what time to post and how to find content. So why did I say that this is one of the most easiest TikTok services that you can drop service? Is because basically the end product is just a report, plus you do not need to really manage the TikTok account. You just need to have the client's username as well as the niche that they are in. So for example, if your client is in the drop shipping or e-commerce niche and he wants to grow on TikTok, so you just need to ask your client what is the niche, what is the category, what are they selling on their e-commerce platform. Then after that, you can just tell your freelancer the niche that he needs to work on. This is just one of the simple TikTok service that you can offer to your client, but you can also include this as part of your social media starter package. I mentioned about this popular package that I always sell in this video, best recurring income idea for job servicing. So if you have not watched that, go ahead and watch that, and you will learn about this social media starter package that is very sellable. The second TikTok niche that is beginner friendly is none other than TikTok video editing. This is very similar to those that are providing services for YouTubers. So right now, instead of providing your video editing services to YouTubers, you are providing this video editing service to TikTokers. Of course, it is much more simpler to promote TikTok video editing services because most of the videos are only 15 to 30 seconds of video. So it is lower in cost, lower in price, and you can definitely sell more and bundle them in package. Because in order to grow your TikTok account, you need to upload every day. It is recommended to upload at least once a day. So because of this, you are able to promote a bundle of video editing services to your clients. TikTok video editing service is also another service which is very straightforward because the clips are all provided by the clients, and all the freelancer need to do is just to edit up the video, adding subtitles, and adding some effects. This is one of the example of the freelancer that is providing video editing service for TikTok. They will give you a full video edited, subtitles added, and then the files are provided by you, which is by the client. TikTok niche number 3 is the most in demand one, and it is the most sellable one, and that is TikTok ad creation. I'm very regular on TikTok platform, and I realize that many businesses are using TikTok to get more business as well as getting more leads. TikTok is a fantastic platform for businesses to get customers. I see restaurants, online businesses, entrepreneurs, and many more small businesses are actually growing their account on TikTok. Some even turn the dead business into flourishing business. One of the way that these businesses are growing their business through TikTok is by TikTok ads, and that is where I see an increase in demand for TikTok ads video creation. Let me show you what the freelancer is offering in terms of TikTok ad video creation. So what the freelancer will do is they will film a TikTok advertisement, whether it's 15 seconds or 30 seconds, up to you. So for this package is a 30 seconds standard package, and she's only charging $25, which is very reasonable for one TikTok ad video. And what it is included will be the video editing, the 30 seconds running time. She will be showing the product imagery, background music, as well as the voiceover. And this is the example of what she'll be doing.
They have the best clothes that I have seen in a long time. They have everything from tops to pants to sweatshirts, dresses, jewelry, everything. As well as this, they're really inclusive and they have something for everyone.
So we need to provide her with a script that fits the suitable time, and she'll be able to add text, images, music on TikTok. So she will make the video and send it back to you. And once you get the video, you can then forward it to your client. And your client then can post the video and use it for their ad purpose. There are also some freelancers that require you to send the product, or the client to send the product over to the freelancer, and then the freelancer will film for you. So this is also another way that you can collaborate with your freelancer and create a TikTok video for your client. So these are the top 3 TikTok niches that you can try out as a beginner. Because TikTok services is pretty new in the market, I would highly suggest you to start with any of these 3 TikTok niches. I personally don't feel good job servicing this service at the moment because of the freelancers I found require account password to do a lot of follow and unfollowing activities. This might jeopardize your client's TikTok account. I totally don't recommend this if you are just a beginner in job servicing. However, if the service is promoting clients' TikTok account to their own followers, then this is totally fine. This works like an account shoutout, so your client's TikTok account gain exposure to massive audience. Thank you to the subscriber that asked this question today. I feel that the more you guys ask me, the more videos and more ideas that I can share with you about job servicing. So feel free to leave any questions that you have about job servicing down in the comment section below, and I will make a video on the topic that you ask. If you want to learn more in depth about job servicing, I have a whole playlist over here, so make sure that you check it out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.